Yes, hello dear children. How are you? We are meeting after a long vacation, isn't it? Hope you all are good. Now we'll start with our science 1, lesson number 7, that is lenses. No, last time we have studied about refraction of light. So light refracts. No, two words we use, isn't it? Reflection of light and refraction of light. Refraction of light from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Okay, you know, when light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it refracts. It refracts means either it bends towards the normal or either it moves away from the normal. Okay, so we'll start with our science lesson number 7, that is lenses. And these lenses deals with no your transparent substance, where we use many times we use these lenses in our day-to-day life. But let's recall with some terms what we have studied about mirror. There are some terms about the spherical mirror, so that same terms we are going to apply here for the lenses. Okay, so let's see what it is. A sphere. Okay, so mirror is a part of the sphere, same way the lens also is a part of the sphere, glass sphere, isn't it? So then this line which travels from the center of the sphere, okay, that imaginary line, that line we'll call it as principal axis, isn't it? On that principal axis we have principal focus. That principal focus means all the rays, incident ray traveling parallel to the principal axis, they reflect back and meet at one point, and that point we call it as principal focus. As well as there is a center of curvature which is just in between the center of the sphere, okay, and the distance between the center of curvature and any point on the sphere or of that mirror, that we call it as radius here. But now for mirror or for our lenses we are going to call it as radius of curvature. So some terms you have studied here, the poles. Poles means any point on the mirror. Suppose this is the part of your mirror, no, spherical mirror. Just recall, this is a part of your spherical mirror, okay, and the point, this point that is, you could see this point here, okay, this point is called as poles, okay, the center of curvature, that is the center of that sphere, and the radius of curvature, this line which is the distance from the center to the to any point on that mirror, and the principal focus, that if the ray of light, if ray of incident ray are parallel to principal axis, you know that all incident ray, if they are parallel to principal axis, actually I am drawing but it is not coming exactly, okay, they come and meet, you know, these rays, they come, reflect back, and they come and meet at one point. So that point we call it as, principal focus. Okay, so let's study about the lenses. So what lenses are? These are the transparent substance. That previous one last year's was your mirror. It was not transparent, shiny substance as well as reflecting substance. Lenses are refracting substance, remember that. So lenses are used in our day-to-day life, where all the lenses you use, lenses are used by the old person to see the small things, or either lenses are used by the watch repairers or either the watchmakers. Lenses are also embedded in our house, no, front door, to peep outside to see who all have come, no, outside your door. So lenses are used in our spectacles. No, the spectacles. What lens is there? That is the, it is called as a lens. Whatever the glass or what which helps me to see clear things. So lenses are used in the microscopes also, as well as they are used in the telescope. So what actually lenses are? These are the no bulgy substances, very thick substances. Okay, you could see this one lens. It is bulgy from in between, and this another lens, that is right side lens. It is it is thicker from edges and thinner from in between. Okay, that is between no middle part is thinner and the edges are thicker. This lens is middle part is bulgy and the edges are narrow or thinner. Okay, so two types of lenses we are going to study. These are the transparent substances. Okay, so the lenses which are, you could see two types of lenses. One is the convex lens and the other one is the concave lens. Convex lens, remember that two spoons, no, inner part of the spoons are joined together, you will find it makes convex lens. This is biconvex lens. Okay, and the other part, other side like that, it is joined. These are the concave lens. Okay, so middle part concave lens, its no middle part is thinner, edges are thicker. Convex lens, middle part is bulgy, no, and the edges are thinner. Okay, actually these are the part taken from two spheres. Now if they are taken from two spheres, now let us talk about their terms, related terms with them. No, they also have principal axis, they also have principal focus, they also have radius of curvature. No, so all these things will be, they will be having two times. Two times. Why? The one is no, this part of the mirror, no, of the lens, not mirror, this part of the lens is a part of a circle here. Okay, and this part of a lens is a part of another circle here. Okay, so let's study further. Here the different types of lenses that you are going to just see, you have to just see this type of lenses, and if it is asked you can identify them. So different types of lenses are shown here, and this lens, know what happens to the lens when a ray of light enters to the lens. It refracts two times. It enters the lens, refracts, and when it comes out, then it refracts. So two times refraction takes place from the lens. Okay, so once when the ray of light is entering the lens, and once while it emerges out from the lens. So there are two types of lenses, that is converging lenses and diverging lenses. What converging means and what diverging means, that we will see further. But converging lens means ray of light, these lenses brings the ray of light close to each other at one point. Okay, and diverging lens means these lenses diverge the ray of light, okay, away. So according to their no principle, or according to their function, we uses these lenses according to their property. Either according to their property we uses these lenses. So converging lenses, where we want to focus the light, there we use this lens, and when we want to diverge the light, we use this diverging lens. So here you see convex lens, biconvex lens, that means two halves are joined to each other. Plano convex lens, that means one part is, its one edge is plane and the other part is curved. Positive meniscus and concave lenses, also different types here. Just see these figures. It is, they are there in your textbooks. So convex lens, you could see the ray of light traveling from the source. Where is the source? Source is towards your left hand side. All these rays are parallel to each other. When they enter the lens, what happens here? They meet here at the center of, so you could see no optical center, as well as then they emerge out and meet at one point, that is convex lens, so we call it as converging. They converge the light. And diverging, concave lens is diverging, it diverges the light, bifurcates. So actually this convex lens is a part, no lens you could see, it is a part of two spheres, it is imaginary, nothing else, actually not the part of two spheres. There is a ball in my hand, you could see. If I cut this part of the ball, no, what I will get, what I will get here, if I cut this part of the ball, I will get a curved, no, shape like a bowl, no, like a dish. Same way, the mirror, sorry, the lens is the portion from the whole sphere. Okay, lens is a portion from the whole glass sphere. So one glass sphere is cut from this side and the another glass sphere, and then these two part is been joined to form a convex lens. What will be the, what will be the concave lens? Now again these parts are being cut and their opposite portions are joined. They are joined from middle. So there is, this is a cross section of convex and concave lens. Now as we are talking about they are the part of the spheres, you will find two spheres. They are out from the two spheres, so each sphere is having radius of curvature. Each sphere is having the center of curvature. Each sphere is having the principal axis. So naturally these two things which are there, this side of, no, this side sphere will have the center of curvature, correct, will have the principal axis, will have the optical center, okay, as well as will have the focus. Focus means where the rays of light come and meet at one point, that we call it as focus. Okay, so it will be having one focus, one as well as two times that of focus, we call it as two foci, that is 2f. So one foci, foci 1 and the second one. Okay, this part of the lens will be from this sphere. So this sphere will have a center of curvature, correct, the radius of curvature, principal axis, as well as the focus. Okay, so focus will be where all the rays come and meet together at one point, that is one focus. And one more focus it has, that is we call it as 2f. F1 here, this side, okay, I'll take this side, it is F1 and 2f1. This side it is F2 and 2f2. What is F2? It is focus, principal focus. What is 2f2? It is radius of curvature. Okay, that is, no, the distance from any part of the circle to the center. We call it as radius of curvature. You could see in the next diagram. So it is having two radius of curvature, two focus. Okay, so remember all this. So focal point will be 2 here, wherever the light comes and meets. Okay, see here, if the ray of light is traveling from right side, left side to right side, you could see it will come and meet at, this ray of light comes and meet at focal point, that is focus. Suppose if ray of light comes from this side, okay, then where it will go and meet? It will go and meet somewhere here at, so this is next focal point. Okay, so two focal point it has. So please remember. So here just see, there is a video here, convergence, converging the ray of light, and this is divergent. Which lens converges? Convex lens converges. And which lens diverges? Concave lens diverges. You could see focal point. Yes, wherever it meets, the ray meets, that is focal point. Here, wherever the ray happens to meet, that is the focal point. Okay, here the ray of light converges. Here, concave lens ray of light diverges. See this video. Okay, the laser torches are there, and I have put a convex lens in between. When convex lens comes in between, you could see three rays which are parallel to principal axis. They come and happen to meet at focus. Okay, you got. So this ray which is there in middle, it doesn't bend, it doesn't deflect, it passes straight. Here also to the concave lens. So three rays, first one and the third one, it deflects. No, refraction takes place and it spreads, diverges. But the middle ray doesn't diverge. Okay. Thank you for today. This much we will study. Please by heart the things whatever you have studied. Okay. Take care.